Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add offset effect in your pictures using Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva website. Here create a new blank design. I'm choosing this poster template. After that, you can see different options on the left side. Click on the upload and upload your desired photo. Here I have already uploaded this picture, so I'm gonna select this picture here. After that, you can click on this background image and change it to black color. Now select your desired photo and you can see this edit image option on the top. Click on it and click on background remover. Now I'm doing the same for other pictures as well. After that, you can see this shadows effect option. Click on it and here you can see outline option. Click on outline. Now change this outline color into white so it will be visible to you. Now you can also change its intensity value as you desire, and you can change the size of the offset. Now for the other pictures, I'm doing the same process. These are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to add an offset effect in your picture. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.